Welcome back to Jimmy Snow Garage. Today we are going to install some roof rack onto the hardtop of the Miata. Let's do it. So I got these roof racks from Walmart and they cost me like what, $660 or something. And I read from the internet, people kept saying that this will fit the Miata, so I got this. This kit comes with two kinds of hooks, and first I'll just find which ones are the best one for the hardtop. I think this one is the best because it goes under the shield, and I might have to bend this up a little bit so that it, sit flush with the top. This one, it's kind of in the way, it's weird. Oh shit, did I break something? This one it is. So yeah, it doesn't affect the window. So that's good. I'm gonna bend this all the way up like that. As instructed, I just removed the plastic pad and just, tighten the nut. Maybe a good idea to put a drop of Loctite glue on there, because, it's dangerous if it falls off. Putting the pads back on. Make sure that it's even on both sides. Right now I have 3.5 inch on each side, so it's good. Now I can tighten it. See that plastic black boot thingy? Cut that to size and then you can start ratcheting down the roof rack. Be aware that the metal strap actually has a front side and a back side. If you put it the wrong way, it won't ratchet at all. And there you go, guys. This is how you install a Walmart $60 roof rack onto a Miata. After driving around for a couple days making sure it's safe, I underwent my first mission, transporting a 4x4 back home. And to no avail, I was able to get home safely, and that gave me a lot of confidence in what I'm gonna do next. Making a roof tent and put it onto the Miata. Be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye!